Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney Luis Ruiz, and today I want to talk to you about how you can obtain your permanent resident status through the UVisa program. Now the UVisa program is a special program that was created by Congress to help people who have been victims of a serious crime, aggravated assault, sexual assault, kidnapping, things of that nature, serious crimes that happen against you. If you've been a victim of these things, the UVisa process, it's a path to a green card and then later to your citizenship. Let me tell you how you can get your green card through this process. Now, the first step in the UVisa process is that you file the UVisa application. It's on Form I-918. And included in that UVisa application has to be the Supplement B certification. And that will come from a law enforcement agency or the district attorney's office or someone who investigated or prosecuted the crime. And that form says that you were a victim and that you did cooperate with them in the either in the investigation or the prosecution of the crime. Now, that is one of the biggest requirements of the UVisa, cooperation. The UVisa, it's a benefit that's extended to the undocumented community because we want the undocumented people who have been victims of a crime to come forward, to tell police what happened, to cooperate with the district attorney in the prosecution of these crimes. So that is the biggest requirement of the UVisa, cooperation. Now, some of the issues that come up when you're applying for the UVisa is that there's a long wait. Congress only authorized 10,000 visas a year. But more than 10,000 people are victimized every year, and more than 10,000 people are applying for the UVisa. So there's a 7-year or longer wait time at this moment that's just backing up even further and further because we're not getting any more than 10,000 visas a year. So at this point, people are waiting 7 years or more to be able to get the UVisa. Now the UVisa will be approved and issued for 4 years. After 3 years, you'll be able to apply for your green card, your permanent resident status. Let me tell you how. Once your UVisa has been approved and you have had it for 3 years, remember, it's valid for 4. After 3 years, you're able to apply for your adjustment of status, your green card, your permanent resident card. And you'll be able to do that entirely inside of the United States. It's one of the benefits that comes with the UVisa process. You do not have to leave the United States to process this application. Another one of the big benefits is the waiver. The UVisa waiver is one of the strongest waivers available in immigration, and it waives almost everything. There's very few restrictions on what it can waive, and it allows you that even if you're inadmissible for maybe criminal history, maybe immigration history, maybe you've been deported before, what the UVisa does is that waiver is so powerful because we want people to come forward and tell us about the crimes that are happening in their communities. We want them to cooperate with law enforcement so that we can get that crime rate down, is that they'll waive almost anything so that you can be a permanent resident inside the United States. Another benefit is that UVisa applicants are not subject to the public charge rule. You do not need a co-sponsor or a sponsor for your application. There is no requirement that you have to have certain financial means in order to qualify. It's taken out. The government understands that although this requirement is always applied to other cases who are applying for a green card, in this situation we don't, because we want to help victims. And we understand that the nature of what it's like being a victim, and we do not apply that standard to people who have been victims. Remember, it's your immigration attorney, Luis Ruiz, and I'm here to help you. If you've been a victim of a crime and you need to know if you qualify for the UVisa or not, give us a call. We're here to help. This is one of the main cases that our office handles, and it is one of the main pathways to a green card and citizenship for our clients. We have the experience and the knowledge to help you. Remember, it's your immigration attorney, Luis Ruiz, and I'm here for you.